Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will start chapter number 5, that is reptile facts taken from Knowledge Bunch of Standard 7. So without any delay, let's get started. There are some facts related to reptiles. Reptile is also a species related to the snake. So we will start from the point number 1. When the lizard shed its tail and escape, a new tail begins to grow at once. Whenever the lizard had got the tails and escaped, a new tails begin to grow at once. Like we human beings, whenever we cut our nails, what happened? That whenever we cut the nails will become grow day by day. So like our nail, the lizard tails also becomes grew up day by day, grown up day by day. Next point, that is world fastest reptile measured on land in the spiny tail iguana of Costa Rica. That the point number second is very important. We have to mark this, and we should know that which reptile is the world fastest reptile. Well, the answer is the spiny tail of iguana of Costa Rica is the world fastest reptile. Moving to the next point, alligator food consists chiefly of fish, mammals, and waterfowl. Well, alligator is the species of crocodile, and their food consists fish, mammals, and waterfowl that are found in water. Next point, that lizards live on mountain tops, in the ocean, in desert, and in forest. Lizard that we can see that crawled on the wall of our house can also live in mountain top, in the ocean, and in desert and in forest. More than 75% of all toad and frog species in the world live in tropical rainforest. 75%, more than 75% of all toad and frog. Toad is the baby name of frog, and it also species of frog that are found in the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest means where the part of area of land where the excessive raining. Next paragraph, both frogs and toads lay their eggs in water, but toads spend more of their time on land than do frogs. Both frogs and toads lay their eggs in water, but toad will be survive most of the time on the land as compared to frogs. Point number 7, when baby lizards lose their feathers, it's time for them to leave the nest. Whenever baby lizards lose their feathers, they will come to know that it's the time to leave the nest. Point number 8, frogs can breathe not only with their lungs but also through their skin. Point number 8 describes that frogs can breathe with the help of lungs, but also they can breathe in with the help of their skins also. Point number 9, snake often dig a hole to hide in. Where snake do hide? Snake always dig a hole to hide in. Point number 10, snakes can see with their tongues also. Snake can see with their tongues also. Point number 11, Most snakes swallow their prey alive. However, poisonous snakes generally wait for the venom to kill an animal before they swallow it. Well, point number 10 tells us that most of the snakes swallow their prey alive, but most, however, poisonous snake, or we can also say that the venomous snake wait for their venom to kill an animal before they swallow it. Well, in our country India, there are four types of venomous snake that are found in our country. That is first king cobra, python, Russell viper, and last one more snake that I have not I am unable to remember the name of the last snake. Hope you will get the fourth name of the fourth snake. Point number 12. Lizards bob their heads and show up their skin crease and brightly colored pattern. Point number 13. Most amphibians are born in water and breathe with gills. Later they lived on land and breathe with lungs. Point number 12 describes that lizards bob their heads and threw off their skin crease and it had brightly colored patterns. Point number 13 that amphibians mean the mammal or the animal who can live land as well in the water. They are born in water and breathe in with the help of gills, and later when they live on land they breathe in with the help of lungs. Point number 14. Averaging 10 to 12 feet in length, the king cobra is the largest venomous snake in the world. Point number 14. 10 to 12 feet in length, as I already told you that the king cobra is the most venomous snake found in our country India. The king cobra is the largest venomous snake in the world. Okay. King cobra can also be found in our country as well as found in the world, and it is most venomous snake. Point number 15. If you touch a toad, you will get warts. If you touch a toad is a species of a frog. If we will touch it, we will get warts. I hope all of you have understood, all of you have known the important fact related to reptiles. It will be helpful for you to know about the reptiles. Next class we will discuss the chapter number 6. Thank you. Have a nice day.